Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to disable top results from Outlook Search. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app. To do this, head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your web browser. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials and log into your account. This will load up your inbox and give you access to all your emails and settings. Just wait a moment while everything loads in completely before moving to the next step. Once your email has fully loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to access the settings where this feature can be adjusted. Navigate to the top part of your screen and look for the gear icon. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on this gear icon to open the settings window. This is your main Outlook settings menu where you can customize various aspects of how your email client works. After the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs listed on the left side. Start by clicking on the General tab. This section contains all the general options for your Outlook account, including appearance, language, and search preferences. Once you're in the General section, look for the Search option and click on it. This will reveal more specific settings related to how Outlook handles search results and displays information when you're looking for emails. Under the search settings, you'll find a section called Search Results. This is where Outlook controls how many and which types of results appear when you perform a search. Here's where you'll make the change. You'll see an option that says Show Top 7 Most Relevant Results with a checkbox next to it. Simply click on the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Disabling this feature means Outlook will no longer prioritize and display just the top 7 results it thinks are most relevant. Instead, you'll get a more traditional search results view. Once you've disabled that option, look toward the bottom right part of your settings window. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to apply the changes you've just made. This ensures that your preference is stored and will take effect immediately across your Outlook search experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the top results feature in Outlook Search, giving you more control over how search results are displayed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.